Welcome back to the channel, you all. Welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to talk about is the top 5 things I wish I knew before I started drumming. And we're getting after it right now. The first thing I want to talk about is technique is more important than speed. And it's more important to have better technique than to have a faster speed. A lot of people want to play fast right away, right? And you know, it is fun to play fast, but the truth is, fixing bad habits is a lot harder to fix than learning it right from the start. Technique is a lot more important, you know, to have good posture, to have, you know, a relaxed grip, right? To have clean strokes when you're playing. That's going to take you a lot further, and that's a lot more important, in my honest opinion, rather than having speed, you know? So go ahead and practice clean technique over speed, and you'll go a lot farther. The second thing I want to talk about is timekeeping. Timekeeping is going to be, that's the real superhero and everything, right? Everybody wants to play chops, and it's fun to play chops, don't get me wrong, but it turns out that timekeeping in itself is what's going to make you a great drummer. A simple groove that's played with like a rock steady time, you know, every single time, that's going to outbeat flashy drums that are shaky and all over the place, right? So having solid time is going to be the most important thing of them all. The third thing I want to talk about is practicing slowly isn't boring. It's essential. Playing slow forces control and accuracy and just solid muscle memory, right? Rushing through practice is just gonna build sloppiness, and you don't want to have sloppiness, right? So slow reps equal faster playing later down the road. Slow reps equal clean playing. The fourth thing I want to talk about is probably one of my favorites, and it's better gear doesn't make you a better drummer, but tuning a drum kit does, right? Everybody wants to buy the newest drum kit, all these cymbals, and I will say they definitely make a difference in terms of the sound, right? But it's not going to make you a better drummer. Learning to actually tune the drums and learning to make to the best ability with what you got, that's what's going to make you a better drummer. As a drummer, I have very expensive gear, but I can also play on cheap gear, and I can make it sound good, you know, I can make it fit to the mix, you know. So better gear doesn't necessarily make you a better drummer, but learning to tune it and take care of what you got, that's what's going to make you a better drummer. The fifth thing that I want to talk about, I think this is very important, is going to be consistency is going to be better than having like a marathon practice, right? Don't sit there and practice for 7 hours, you know. It's better to practice 5-10 minutes a day, but doing it over a long period of time. The consistency in itself is what's going to make you a better drummer. I remember there was a time when I started drumming that I told myself that I'm going to sit at my kit every single day, right? Whether it be for 5 minutes or whatever it is, if it's going to be for an hour, if it's going to be for 2 or 3 hours. Sometimes I was playing shows, so that definitely added some time to it, but I made a commitment to myself that no matter what, before I go to bed, I would sit at my kit and at least practice for 5 minutes. And if it was late at night, sometimes I'd get home, it'd be 10 or 11, I would just put out practice pads on my kit and I would practice rudiments. So I would still be getting in my 5 minutes of sitting on my kit. And I think that's so important, is the consistency. That in itself, you know, don't have like a marathon style practice where you practice 10-12 hours, because it's better to have short increments of consistent practice over one practice of a long period of time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. It would really mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not seen one of these videos, check it out, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.